Hello everyone, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to the Facebook Live class on Communicative English. Hope you are safe in your home and continuing education. By the way, dear students, do you listen to me? Hope you do. If not, please let me know. So far, I guess you are connected, and at this very auspicious morning, I would like to thank you twice to the students who are attending my class regularly and rightly giving feedback. Okay, good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine too. I think it is necessary, it's not necessary today to talk about me anymore because you came to learn from the previous lessons. Okay, dear students, I tried to read your language and had some sense reading the preview and the comments you have given uh, after the class is done. Where I observed that many of you have demanded that I should carry on my lecture in Bangla. Okay, my dear students, for God's sake, don't say like this. You will be loser there. If I deliver my lecture in English, you have every opportunity to pick new vocabulary, new sentence, and new way of communication. If I don't do so, you will have no scope, no option to learn even a single word for or a sentence. Furthermore, if you don't understand or fail to catch the words while listening, please download the video and listen once more to have better understanding. Here, I suggest you to use headphone during the period of class hour. Okay, perhaps you are watching the first slide. Again, mm, we are experienced the communicative English for all technology subject code 65722, and here we see for communicative English actually we have the objectives for all lessons, that is you will be completing the lesson, completing this lesson or completing every lesson. We will experience the uh, same objectives, that is you will be able to develop creative writing ability, and you will be able to transfer your information, ideas and knowledge, and ultimately your communicative competence will be built, and you will feel competent in any real life situation or in the workplace. Okay, so in today's, let's see what happens in today's lesson. Okay, in today's lesson we will focus on practice listening skills, and in the prior lessons we practiced reading skills, but in this lesson especially I would like to emphasis on practice listening skills. And here you have an audio. You will listen to the audio, and after listening, you will try to uh, do some exercises. Okay, and relatively, we go for knowing some vocabulary or phrases related to introducing someone. Actually, the title of this lesson is Introducing Someone to Others. And writing task is mandatory for homework, and in every lesson, I advise you to I used to give you some homework and advise you to uh, keep record to submit it to your respective teacher of your institute. So it is mandatory here also. And speaking skill is expected to be practiced among friends. As I said earlier, that you have to create some uh, online or Facebook uh, discussion group where you can discuss with your friends about the topics. I usually advise you to discuss there. And today, uh, you will have some questions I will give you later uh, as a clue to discuss among your friends. Okay, so go for the next slide. Okay, as we are uh, doing some listening skill, for doing some listening tasks, we need to follow some rules. And here, say, if we go for doing some listening task, we should follow the rules. That is, listening is the most important communication skill. As I said before, that if we want to learn a language, of course, we have to integrate four skills. That is, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And among these four skills, listening is most important, as because learning begins or learning a language begins first experiencing listening, right? So regarding this, listening is the most important communication skill, and we probably spend more time using our listening skills than any other kind of skill. Like other skills, listening takes practice. Real listening is an active process. Listening requires attention. Yes, it is very important. You must be attentive in listening task. Otherwise, it would be really difficult for you to catch the uh, information that is given there. Okay, all right. You see, uh, preparation task is the common information uh, before going or before experience any task, either reading or listening, whatever. But it's so easy, I think. It is called pre-reading or pre-skill experience. That is, circle the best option for what people normally say when they first meet, right? All right. Number one, you see, as I said that today's lesson, our topic is introducing a friend. So you need to know how the conversation happens between two friends. Okay. So regarding this, how we start and what are the main expression and how we usually do it. So you have to select the right one here, or you have to circle the best option. Okay. So we say, "Hi, it's Pablo." Slash, "Hi, I'm Pablo." You have to find the right sentences, right expressions. Okay. So I think the second one is the right expression. And secondly, hi, who are you? Option is, hi, how are you? And here is the same case. You see, this hi, how are you is the right option here. And number three, where are you? You see, mm, and where are you from? So here also, you see, where are you from is the right expression. And lastly, you see, you are nice. And naturally, you don't say like this that you are nice. If I meet someone newly, of course, we say nice to meet you. Okay, okay. Mm, go for the next slide. Dear students, hope you understand. All right, here is the main text. You see, conversation among friends. One friend is introducing others to other friends. So we have an audio here and listen to the audio and at the same time try to read it out. Okay.
Hi, Pablo. How are you?
Hi, Sumi. I'm fine, thanks.
Pablo, this is Greta.
Hi, Greta. I'm Pablo.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Where are you from, Greta?
I'm from Germany. Where are you from?
I'm from Argentina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, already you have listened to the audio and you can read it out on the screen and you can listen to this audio once more. Okay, and the more you listen, the more you learn the expression, the pronunciation, the accent of the native speaker. Okay, so that is called the listening task. You have to experience, right? So we have learned the information that is given through their conversation. So go for the next as because we have to sit for doing some exercises here, right? Okay, task one. Check your understanding. Gap fill. The evaluation tools here is gap filling. You will be evaluated how you have listened from this audio. So do the exercises while you listen and complete the gaps with the correct name. So three names are given here, and you have to put the right name in the right order, right? So Greta, Sumi, and Pablo, and there were three persons. They made this conversation there. So fill in the gaps with the name that match with the sentences. Okay, so for in the first sentence, you see Dash introduces Greta to Pablo. Actually, who is introducing Greta to Pablo? Okay, of course, so far I guess, so far I remember, that is Sumi, right? And then Dash is German. Actually, who is German? Who is German? It is Pablo or Greta, right? Perhaps I think that Greta is German, right? And until ultimately we have another question left and we have another answer left. So Pablo is Argentinian, right? So it's so easy, but uh, the main task, the main objectives of doing listening task is that you have to listen very carefully, very attentively. Otherwise, it would be difficult for everyone to do exercises. Okay, all right. Go for the next slide. And task two, you see, check your understanding. That is also gap fill. I mean, here is the tools of testing tool is gap filling also. Do the exercises while you listen. Write the words to fill the gaps. Okay. So the conversation is given here, and in between, you are asked to fill the gaps with the right words. Okay. So try to do it of your own. You see. Uh, Sumi, hi Pablo, how are you? Pablo, hi Sumi, dash, thanks. So you have to fill the right words in the blank. And so far I remember that I am fine. I am fine. Thanks. Sumi, Pablo, this is Greta. Okay. And then Pablo, hi Greta, dash Pablo. Right. So far I guess that I am Pablo. Greta, hi. How are you? Pablo, I am fine. Thanks. Where are you from? Where are you from? Greta. Where are you from? Greta. Greta. I am from Germany. Where are you from? Pablo. I am from Argentina. Okay. So it's your turn right now. You just fill in the blank with the right words. It's very easy, I see. Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You have to put the words, the very words or phrase that is nice to meet you. Right? Great. Nice to meet you too. So the lesson is very easy, dear students, but in doing some listening task, uh, primarily it seems very easy, but sometimes it gets difficult, and in the later classes you will face some complex listening tasks. So it is the beginning. So get ready to experience the complex task doing this one. Okay, so go for the next. Okay, all right. In every lesson, I used to talk about the vocabulary, what vocabulary we learn from the text. It is also important as because without vocabulary, we cannot write sentences, we cannot express clear expressions. So it is also very important. So here, if you find any new words in this text, you can fill the blank here, or if you don't find any new words, you just leave it up. Okay, no problem. And then group discussion is also very important. It helps you to become competent in speaking, and it helps you to, it makes you to uh, compete in public speaking. It develops your competency. It develop to become, it helps you to develop to become fluent in speaking. So it is urgent and it is must. So you have to do it through online discussion that I suggested, to create a forum or a group. In this group, you will do practice there. Okay. So, what questions do you like to ask when you meet new people to know about him? Okay, when we meet someone newly, then of course we may have some curiosity to ask about him. So some series of questions are given here. You can ask these very questions, and it will help you to become fluent in speaking. But one thing is very important, that is never uh, stop answering shortly. You just try to answer your questions. Uh, try to give long answer, and don't stop. Okay, simply you say, what's your name? Your answer should not be, or your answer should not be like this. Simply Jahid. Okay, right. This is not the right answer. This is not the correct answer. Okay, you must say, yes, I'm Jahid Hassan. You can call me Jahid, right? So it may be the right answer. All right. And then how old are you? You can simply say that 19 or 20, right? Exactly. This is not the right answer. 19 or 20. Okay. You have to say the complete answer. That is, I am 20 years old, right? And where do you live? Simply you can say Dhaka. No, Dhaka is not the right answer here. Okay. So you have to answer like this. Yes, I'm staying at Dhaka, or I'm from Dhaka. Who is your favorite singer, right? You can simply say like this, James. No, this is not the right answer. To a foreigner, they might fail to understand your answer. You have to give a short description. Who is James? Why do you like him? What is his specialty? Okay, so this is the right technique of answering questions, and of course I request you to learn then the answer of the questions. Okay, so that is the reason why these simple questions are given, uh, to that you can carry on conversation lucidly and easily, and you feel comfort to carrying conversation with your friends. Okay, so likewise, okay, dear students, time is getting off, so we have to go hurry. Go for the next slide. This is the same way you will experience the conversation with your friend or among your friends online. Okay, uh, many questions are here, and you see, mm, lastly, in the last part of the questions, you see, do you have work? Okay, if you are professional, right? Suppose among your friends, one is a professional, one is a student, and other is a sportsman, and you may have different types of friends there, conversant there. So of course you have to pay attention to that. You have to make sense when you go for conversation, right? And then you see, do you have work? If you are professional, someone may ask you a question like this: do you have work? Yes. Someone may answer like this: yes, of course, uh, I do. And what is your position? Okay, you may ask you someone his position. Okay, simply, yes, I'm working there as a chief executive officer or administrative officer. But you cannot say like CEO only. Okay. All right. Go for the next slide. Okay. Dear students, usually what we do, that is homework. You have uh, uh, right before you were engaged with the conversation among your friends online, through discussion group, through in a forum, but it's time to go for homework, you see, as because we are forced to stay in home. So uh, we are not allowed to go to campus. So we have to do some homework for as our the session works. So let's see what is happening here. Write the answer of the questions mentioned above and advise to submit to your respective teacher of your institute, and all these activities will be considered as sessional work for the next exam, right? As I said earlier in other lectures, that you have to do some homework, and ultimately you have to submit it to your respective teachers, and that will be considered as your sessional work. Okay, and then we are at the end of the lecture, end of the session. You see, ultimately, though I committed that I will not allow you to experience answer key, but I see that some of you may have some problems. So, and it has some importance also that you can check your answer matching with the answer key, so that you can count your level. Okay, So answer key is here. You can match the answer with your answer script. Okay. And again, I say that if you want to download the video, you just keep watching and get connected with the websites, that is www.skills.gov.bd, and you can if you visit there, you will get this video, you get my lecture, and you can download once again from there. Okay. And my presentation is over. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me last 30 minutes. Thank you so much again. And you see, I used to give tips in every lesson. That is www.compellingconversation.com. Here is an website. Actually, this the questions of discussion is taken from there. And though it is these are the very simple questions, but mm, you feel compelled to speak, because right wrong doesn't matter there. It will help you to become fluent in speaking. And if you visit there, you will get a lot of series of questions there. Okay. And ultimately, you see, my Skype ID is there. If anyone fail to understand my lecture, you can knock me over Skype. I will try to make you understand in Bangla, okay? And I'll be there for next 15 minutes, okay? Thank you so much.